This is my first POV.
What do you mean by that?
In the Charger since I got it. We just went and got some kava. We about to head back to the crib and post this video, same day type shit. Truck say beast mode.
Stop the cap.
He from New Jersey. He probably thinking the police.
Got him. We fucking got him.
I ain't the police, bro. It's Kwani. Should have stayed in another lane. Day after day. These people out here cannot drive at all, bro.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
See, prime example. Look at this lady. Like,
Really, nigga?
why is you doing that? Like, look how much space there is between her and all the other cars. She stopped all the way back there. It's crazy. The sad part about it is I'm really not going nowhere because all of these cars are slow. I'm ready to throw them long tube headers on it.
My nigga.
Definitely make sure y'all subscribe so y'all could be here first to see the video when I put the long tube headers up there. My boy out there throwing up them gang signs.
Stop the cap.
Stop it. Get some help.
My boy throwing up every gang sign in the gang sign book.
Me, nigga.
Oh shoot, buddy. Oh no. Damn. They got the Audi. They probably hit him with the. Do you know how fast you were going, buddy? Get out of my way so I can cut up in traffic.
Nigga.
I'm about to go through the middle. Like the video if you want me to go through the middle. It's a yellow light. I'm about to go right through that middle. Damn, come on. You ODing with the brakes, lady. I knew it was a lady. She looked like a nice lady too. She looked like she's an author. Like she wrote 7 books.
Stop the cap.
The fuck? Hell no, you heard that shit. I would not want that feature in the truck. He got that shit that cut off and cut back on when you at the light. I would never want my truck to do that. I don't even like that feature in cars though. Like when it cuts off to save you gas, I just feel like, what if like that shit just don't cut back on? You know? Bro, what was my reason for getting over here? Because Mr. Eco Truck is clearly driving slow, trying to save as much gas as possible. And then the Acura is probably somebody's grandmother. Oh my goodness, at this point, I just don't know what to do. Like, this is just crazy. Okay, so I guess he got the Nissan truck in front of him and that's why he's going slow. Damn, Mr. Eco Truck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Man, what the fuck? The only reason why I let him pass me is because it looked like his shit was gonna break down. But I'm not gonna dog him out because he's got a Mopar though. Mopar or no car. Mopar or no car. That look like he's slowing down. Come on. Cutting up in traffic. Come on, bro. Oh, yes. Yeah. Now let me go ahead and get in the right lane. Alright, YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This time, this one was crazy, man. They had took the tires, my two rear tires, they were inside out. So, I had to get those changed, bro. I don't know how that happened. I mean, I brought them that way. But if you look right here, it says inside. So
Really, nigga?
I have to take them tires, bro, and flip them, throw those back up there. Then I need some air on my front tire. And recently I just removed the decal from my car. I don't know if y'all can still see that, but we're not really done with the removal. This side, he did too much with that side. Like, that side, it was hard to get that off. Like, I scratched up my paint and everything trying to get that side off, man. But yeah, I'm about to do the decal removal. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna put the other badges up there. I got the 345 badges. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna put those up there. I got the bumper on the way. And then after I get the front bumper and the headlights for the front situated, I'm gonna come back here, snatch this bumper off and put a new rear bumper in the diffuser. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do any differential work or anything of that nature, but this is what the rear end's looking like right now. There's my rear. Look at them rotors. Yeah, everything's gonna be changed in due time. I'm gonna have the drilled and slotted rotors. I'm upgrading my brake calipers. It's a lot that I gotta do, man. So y'all boys, just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I need some more of these little rivets for the front. But yeah, that is just rusty and dusty. Oh, man. Let y'all see the bottom of the car. I do got a muffler delete, but it don't really make a difference. It don't really sound crazy. Like, it sounds like stock for real. It got like a deeper tone. Got a deeper tone to it, like at low speeds. But other than that, man, I mean, there's nothing spectacular about it. So I will be going long tube headers. Definitely gonna be doing a long tube header soon.
Well, Rico in this bitch. Yeah.
Damn. Hop out this bitch and I'm letting it rip. I'm on the block with that motherfucking cutter. Hop out this bitch and I'm letting it rip.